instead, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had a different plan. And at that time, I didn't understand how important my grandfather's work was for the Muslim Ummah. My grandfather's work was noble and respectable. His work was for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and for only the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It was for the Muslims of the Muslim Ummah, and it was for those who seek knowledge. Now I understand that, and I regret it gratefully. In this book, my Dada wrote the seerat of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And I think that that's a fitting end for someone who devoted his whole life to follow the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's sunnah and to implement it into his life. And now his last book is about the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This book that my Dada wrote, this is his last tribute